Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Daisy Quinto, 27 years old, married. I have 2 children.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Daisy. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
As a domestic helper, I'm kind, loyal, honest, and trustworthy.
So since you are a mother, can you tell us the proper way in taking care of the children?
Love them as all. Give them nutritious food. Give them vitamins, tutoring them.
Okay, so what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
I beg pardon to them and say sorry. I promise I do not do it.
Any last message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I need this job for my future, my family, and my children. And I promise to finish the 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you to you, Miss Daisy, and good luck.
Thank you to sir, madam.